Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 6 o'clock news. As you may know, we are in the middle of the worst blizzard the state has ever seen, Blizzard 09. We will continue throughout the night to give you the most updated coverage as we can. First, let's get out to the streets where Emily has a first look at the conditions around Stillwater. Emily?
Hey, Shicka. Yeah, just out here in Nomo. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Blizzard 09. Here's the walkway, the ramp. Pretty covered. It's pretty deep. Here, we have our measuring tool just to show you how deep it is. See, almost right up to the child suffocation warning right here. So that's let's see, that's probably like, a few feet, and it'll only get worse. It's gonna get really bad in a few minutes. So we really shouldn't even be out here. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like I have frostbite everywhere. Including everything that has 6 layers on it. Yeah, I got 6 layers here. I have my coat, my scarf, if you call that a layer. I have like a jacket in there and a shirt and another jacket. I got goggles. Here, goggles for this blizzard, ladies and gentlemen. You're gonna need those goggles.
Looks like we've lost the signal in the heavy wind out there. Folks, it's pretty dangerous outside. Please stay indoors during this time. It's not safe during the blizzard of 09. Let's get back out to the field where we have our other news correspondent, Shicka. Shicka, tell us what's going on out there. Hello? Hello, Shicka? Can you hear me? Can you hear me now? Okay, good. Now tell us, what's going on out there?
It's Shicka, and we're here on Monroe and Hall of Fame. This is what the street is. And it's deserted, because no one wants to be out here in this deadly blizzard. There's like a wind chill of about 70 right now. 70 miles per hour, the wind is gone. I just don't understand. Oh, I lost my scarf. Oh, hang on a minute. Yeah, it's freezing out here. Oh, it's freezing. Look at this car over here. It's going so slow because if they don't, then they're just going to wreck it and stuck forever. And I just wish you good luck. Hello, yes. Oh, good luck with your travels, sir. But yes, as you see, a couple more brave souls coming down the street going so slow because if they go any faster, they'll wear off and it's a massive disaster, people. We need help here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. And so, thanks for bringing me out here, in the cold, and I bet it's really warm in there.
Oops, we must have lost the signal. Anyway, we've been getting a lot of calls from our viewers asking if Santa was to be able to receive letters from all the children. We asked field correspondent Emily to go on location and find the answers.
Oh yes, Shicka. Santa will be able to receive the letters this year. As you can see, the mailbox is still working properly. So Santa will get all those calls. He'll get all the letters from all the nice little girls and boys. So don't worry about that.
And we'll be right back.
I'm a yo, I'm a great, I'm a yo, I'm a ma. a yo, I'm a great, I'm a yo, I'm a ma.
Oh. Welcome back to the 6 o'clock news. We're in the middle of Blizzard 09. As we're trying to keep you informed with the latest with the storm, our crews have been out around the city looking for fresh stories to bring to you. People are getting cabin fever, and as you're about to see, getting very, very, very desperate to get out of the house. Here's Shicka with the latest. Shicka?
Someone decided to brave the snow and ride their bikes here, and I don't understand why in the world would someone want to ride their bike in the middle of bikini and get out. They're stuck here. I just don't understand, Emily. Do not leave your house. Not in a car, not in a bike, not on a foot, not in an invisible train. Nothing, Emily. Nothing.
Well, after about a 15-hour shift, that's all for tonight's news, everyone. We hope you stay inside and stay very, very warm. Word to your mother.